Now you can decide your own background for all the slides also if you want. That also you can make. Okay, or each and every slide you can change a background. Let us say we have a slide background fill you want to do, or you have a solid fill. Now the moment I say yellow, then you can see this portion alone can become yellow, and I'll come to the solid fill and I can change this portion alone to be light green. Why it is missing? Because I have changed this. So if I do this, then I get this. So I think all these things are all quite elementary. You must be definitely doing all those things. I'm not getting into that. But what we can look at the designs. So I think this also many of you must be using. Many of you are using, or we will have to discuss this point.
No, we are using it.
You are using. So all of you?
Yes.
So these are all quite elementary. So let us not get into that. Like if we take this and then do, then the presentation completely becomes in a different way, because it is a theme which is being worked out. Let us do our own self gradient fill. You must be knowing. So when you have a gradient fill, you will have a gradient fill like this. You can have a different colors here on the background. You can have preset gradients. You change this, then this changes like that. So there are hundreds of things. Please remember, you can format the background and you can format an individual box. You can format individual lines. All those things we'll be able to do. Now let's get back to the white one, because I think that will give us more idea. Everything we will now remove total. Now we want a new slide to be inserted. What are all the ways of inserting a new slide?
Just click the new slide.
Click the new slide. What happens when you click the new slide?
You get different types. You can select from that.
Okay, you have title slides, you have title and content, you want section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with and picture with caption. Raghav, Kabhi, you have ever thought that apart from this, if I have my own particular theme slide, it will be good? Have you ever thought?
It will be good. It will be good, but I don't know where I can get.
we will do it, sir. I just wanted to ask you whether we want that so that it becomes easy for us to understand. So
if it is purchasing separate software, we don't want. Otherwise, it should be free.
No, sir. As long as I'm not going to sell you any software.
No, not from you. I'm telling you general.
Okay, sir. Sir, what we will do, new slide. When I say new slide, duplicate slide, reuse slides, everything has come. So we will go and new slide. We will go just take a blank slide for the time being.
Okay.
Right? Now this blank slide, what we will do, we will go to, let it be there, we go to view. You must have used this view. Am I right? All of you. This view.
Yes, sir.
You have used for what normally? This view has got so many things like normal, outline view, slide master, notes, reading, slide master, handout master, notes master, grid. There are hundreds of things are available in this view. Now let us go to slide master, sir. Right. Now what is happening? Now what is happening? This slide master has so many things here. If you really look at it, this is the first one, and then this is another. You have different kinds of pre-built. You have all these things, and one of them is this. What you are going to see now, blank, everything is available. Now, what Mr. Rao says, I want a new layout for myself, isn't it, sir? Because no,
Yes, sir,
these
yeah.
layout, you want a new layout. Okay, sir. What we will do, sir, look at this without any additional money. Insert layout, insert slide master. Are you
Okay.
able to see this
Yeah,
field,
yeah,
sir?
yes, yes.
Yes, sir. We are able to see.
Insert layout. This is what is going to help us in meeting Mr. Raw's requirement. So sir, what is happening? How many are there? One, leave out the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12.
10. Oh. So I think we have 11 or whatever it is. Whatever is the number. Now I will go and insert a new layout. Sir, a new layout has come in now. Right, sir? Now
So
what I
come
will
out
do?
available. Come out of the available layouts there.
We will do, we will just go on, leave it here, and then let us call it as ABC Limited Cost Details. Right, sir? We call it as ABC Limited Cost Details. We don't want it to be so, we don't want it to be so very big fonts and all. Let's make it as fonts as, let's say, 32. And you want it to be centered around, you make it as a center, and then you make it like this. You can make them bold, and then you wanted it in a blue color. Right? This is what now I have done. Whenever I add a new slide, I want this to come in. Right? Now I will go back to view. I'll go normal. Now I will remove this slide because I am not going to use this slide now. Delete slide. Now I can use slide. Now where is available, sir?
It is a custom layout. No, in the top, first, last. Yeah.
Why I tried to find out a little bit of time to take it. Okay, I will click it now. Right. Because I did not remember where it is.
Okay.
Right, sir. What we will do, we will close this again. Let's go back to view. Let's go back to slide master. Where is this one, sir? This one? No. This one, where it is? We had a custom layout. Oh, we'll have to find out where it is. It is there here. Sir, I have come here. I will go and rename ABC Limited. Now rename. I'll close the master view. Let me go and take a new slide. Now I can easily pick up because I had only given this.
Okay.
Limited. So it is possible for you to, sir, you cannot edit it. Please remember, if you click it here, when you are coming here, because you are able to do something, you are not able to do here. Now you want to insert something, picture or a shape. Let's say we are going to take this shape. You are able to do anything. Only thing is, whenever you take this slide, you are automatically having whatever predefined things that you want, that will be available to you. Is that clear, Razak?
Yeah.
This will be a very good facility, I believe, because every time what we do, we normally take it from previous slide, copy, change many things and all. So what you can do is, in the master slide for this, if you are going to reuse it many times, you can make it as a custom slide. So how we do, we go to view, we go to slide master, and then we know everything has got a name. Okay. If you go to the name, you will know. Here we have given a name, so we will be able to use that name and then do it. That is
Can we make it as duplicate?
You can duplicate means what, sir?
Same slide, one more slide, addition of another slide, but the different things. So ABC Limited itself, cost details are on one slide. In the second slide, I will go to new slide and duplicate it.
You want again ABC cost details only. Sir, if you want to duplicate, you will duplicate here only. You want,
Okay.
sir, what is happening? These are all master slides.
Okay.
So you can, like when you want to take a new slide, only you used to do new slide, you had all these options.
Yeah.
But let us say, sir,
No,
you
that is
want
what I
to,
here duplicate selected slide is also there, one of the option.
we
So
can
can
do
we?
that.
Yeah, that's what.
We can do that, sir. That I will come to that. Duplicate slide is for what? I will come to that. Not on master.
Okay.
Sir, what you are seeing here? Oh, sorry, it will go off. Sir, what you are seeing in this new slide, when you click, you have two content. You got some comparison. You got a blank. You got only title, content with caption, picture with caption. Now I want two pictures here, okay, and one content here. I don't have in this. If you have seen,
Yes.
I have two pictures side by side, or two content side by side, or one picture and content with caption, or picture with caption. Now I want two pictures here and one caption here. So you can now create your own thing like that. That is what I am telling.
So this ABC Limited cost details cannot be changed in the subsequent slides.
Sir. No, sir, subsequent slide, if you don't take that, suppose let us, sir, if you really look at it here, there nothing is visible now for you, no title.
Correct.
Whereas I take another slide, suppose I take this now. Now whatever you want, you can do.
Okay.
If you go to this slide, this will be automatically available for. That is what we are telling. Because this is right now ready-made. It is based on, sir, it is based on your own pro forma slide you can make and keep in a PowerPoint presentation. That is what I am telling.
Okay, sir. For example, suppose Vadivel and Co is my empty slide, and I can put a mobile number, email ID. That's one slide as a master slide. So whenever I want to use, I will use the same slide again and again.
Yes, sir. We will try that also. What we should do if Vadivel and company is to be now done? What is to be done now? I will again start from beginning.
Footer has to be put for.
No. Sir, footer and all you will have to remember and put, sir. If you don't put, it will not come. Okay. What Mr. Vadivel says, like a letterhead in my slide, on top this should come. That is what he says. Let us do one thing, sir. One is you can put a header, as Rao Saab is telling, header, footer in the master itself you can put, so that everywhere it will come. Let us say view. We will have to go to slide master, isn't it, Mr. Vadivel, to do what you want to do? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So we go
Yes,
to
sir,
slide
correct.
master. Now you want to have a new layout. How are we going to do? Sir, 15 minutes pehle, 15 minutes back we saw for ABC Limited cost detail. Rao Garu.
Now insert layout.
Insert layout. Thank you, sir. Go to insert layout. Now the insert layout has come. Now insert layout, we will now take it as, sir, Vadivel, sir, please tell me what I am supposed to enter.
Yeah, see, in the name it's Vadivel and Company.
And go. Then
That's down. We'll put mobile number or email ID. Down, sir, down. So this should Vadivel and Co should be the top right always.
you can decide wherever you want. 1 second. Let us take 18, small one only. Let us not take it bigger. Give me the mobile number or your email ID.
avmvadivel@gmail.com.
avmvadivel@gmail.com.
Vadivel@gmail.com.
Now you tell me you want it to be in the center or on the left side, or you wanted it here. See, when you can move it wherever you want, you can resize this, or you once this particular 4 arrows come, then you can start moving. or you can make like this, whatever you want.
Okay, sir.
Can we make it as a watermark?
We will come to that, sir. Please park this question.
Okay.
Sir. You will have to park.
Because-
You will
No,
have to
no.
park the question, sir. Sir, 1 minute. Please park the question because otherwise we will lose thread. I don't want that to happen.
No,
We
when
can
we are
make a
putting,
watermark.
the thing is, whenever we are using the same master, okay, especially putting the firm name and all that, no, we would like that to appear in whatever we are writing in the background.
For that, you can do that. You
Can it be
park
put
this
in the
question.
master itself?
Sir, you need not do master, sir. You remember I talked about a template. You remember, sir?
Correct.
You remember we talked about template when we did Excel.
Hmm.
Now we will come out with a template for S. Mahadevan and company. All
Okay.
slides will have a watermark at the back. Vadivel and Associates, Mailavarapu Kameshwar Rao and company. He likes only a blue color, so light blue. Watermark, we can run 45 degrees, 90 degrees, whatever way you want. Watermark should be in a round symbol. We will do all those things. It will take time. It is doable, but it will take time. So please park all your questions so that we don't forget. I don't want to jump to watermark right now because template is not in today's agenda.
Okay. No problem.
We will slowly, one by one, see the facilities. Then you yourself will be able to do it faster. I don't think first time you are now learning in your master slide, you can have your own slide, isn't it? This is the first learning we are doing. So naturally, the moment first thing is now known, everybody now jumping into what is to be done. Agree? No issue.
Okay.
We will now make it as a small one. And Vadivel and company. Vadivel, which color you like?
Green color, sir. But my slide, my PPT, if you see, all are go green color
Oh,
only.
okay, green color. Okay, we have now done. And we will now make it only Vadivel and company bold. Or everything will come because it is within this. Now what we will do, we have this and
Have to
this,
rename it.
we will not rename because we will immediately forget if I had to rename. So how do I rename now? Sir, in Windows, all of you please remember one thing. If you don't know anything, just try to right click and see whether anything is happening. Okay. Now you have got insert,
Really.
insert that, hundreds of things are available. Okay. Now we will simply we will go to view. Now we are in the slide master view because we were not in slide master. If you remember, only in slide master you have all these options are there, right? Now slide master we have done. So we will close it for the time being. Let's get into the slide master view. Now, where is Mr. Vadivel? Where did we do Vadivel? Here we did Vadivel. Let us see what happens once we close this particular thing. Let's come to that. Where is my view? Normal view. Normal view. Now this is the blank slide, which I will remove this blank slide. Sir, Rao sir, since you asked that question, particular point, Rao sir,
Yes, sir.
you wanted a duplicate? No. What we will do, we will come here, we will take only this slide and then we will duplicate it. This slide gets duplicated automatically. Now the question is, why should we duplicate a slide?
No, my idea is when we make a master slide, that only shows heading and the bottom, what is that footer and the heading only it will show. So in the content portion, we can write whatever we want by duplicating those slides.
That is one, sir. Normally we duplicate slide Only when we wanted to, let us say, sir, I will explain to you where you can use again duplicate. That is, we don't want, so you simply remove it. Okay. Now we come here. Let us say we remove this go, we will make it as session 1, right?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you go to PowerPoint presentation. Let us say session 1. It doesn't look nice, because session 1 is where it is. Let us bring it to the center. Now we go and see this session 1. Now what has happened? Since you took, sir, just give me a second, sir. Somebody has come. I'll just, or I think she will take care. Okay. So what has happened now? I will go back. What has happened now?
That line is still existing.
No, this line I'll come. The line, what has happened when I try to move this session, what is happening?
The line is remaining there.
The line was a separate thing. It was not done along with this session. If you remember, we drew a line separately.
Yeah.
Now, how do I move both of these things together? Can somebody tell me?
But select both.
Have anybody done it?
We have to select both and then move.
How do you do that? Both. This is selected, and I go and select this.
Yeah.
Sir, the best option is, sir, the best option, let us see whether this works.
Copy.
Only this comes. Now, you will have to select both of them by a particular command called Control G. Okay. So you select this, and then you go on Control G. Now you make it as Control G. Now select both of them.
Oh,
I will
super,
again
sir.
repeat. I will remove this, all these things. When I try to move this, only session will move, sir. And when I try to move this will move. Now we have to make both of them move together. So what we'll have to do is you select this, press Control, you come and select this along with the control. Then you make Control G. Now they are grouped. Wherever they go as a husband and wife. Okay, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Super, sir.
Okay, good, super.
What we will do, we will stop the recording here. Then give me